Hey guys, what's up? It's Kat. Today I got my hands on the brand new HomePod 2nd generation. I actually got two of them. I was in New York City last week with Apple to have a first look and listen to the new HomePods. I was so impressed. If you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, you already know I was raving about how amazing the sound quality is and that you can actually feel like the artist is in the room singing to you. This is definitely an upgrade from my HomePod minis that I've been using for the past year and a half or so, and I can't wait to share my experience with you guys. Let's get to unboxing. You can actually place two HomePod speakers in the same room and create a stereo pair for a wider, more immersive soundstage. Once the second speaker is added, the bass is deeper and richer. You can even separate left and right channels to fill an even larger space. Although the HomePod can get very loud, it can also detect a "Hey Siri" from across the room when music is playing, so no need to raise your voice at all. Hey Siri, turn it up. Hey Siri, turn it down to 20. The sound quality is amazing. The HomePod lets you enjoy the music just how the artist intended. The edge-to-edge touch surface gives you access to quick controls and illuminates differently depending on your request. The new HomePod is 6.6 inches tall, 5.6 inches wide, and weighs 5 pounds. The soft and seamless mesh fabric is actually made from recycled materials. The handoff feature is super useful as it seamlessly lets music flow from one device to another. HomePod actually listens for sound reflections off neighboring surfaces, so it knows if it's against a wall or freestanding and actually adapts the sound. The intelligent assistant we all know and love, Siri, actually recognizes up to 6 voices to give each individual a personalized experience. She can help you receive personal updates, send messages, and even find out where your friends and family are completely hands-free. Coming later this spring, sound recognition for smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. I'm really excited to use my stereo pair with my TV when I'm gaming and watching movies. When I tested it out last week, it honestly felt like the sound was going all around you. And I even feel that now with my iMac in my room. Even if I'm just editing or listening to music, it truly sounds like the whole room is filled with the beautiful acoustics, and I'm loving it so far. I cannot wait for you guys to try it out and let me know your thoughts, reviews in the comments. Can't wait for you guys to check it out. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. I have so many more videos coming for you guys on YouTube, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm so excited to be posting more on YouTube and connecting with you guys every day. Bye!